Hey guys, welcome to this week's Declutter with Friends video. It is part of the Mega Motivation collaboration playlist, and we are focusing on garages, basements, attics, storage unit. If you have any of those and you need some motivation, make sure to watch today's video and the other videos that are in the playlist. I don't have a garage, I don't have a basement, I live in an apartment in Los Angeles, but I do have a friend who moved when the pandemic began, and she's been keeping her stuff in storage for the last year and a half. This was her first time seeing that storage unit. We had an hour and we impromptu met up there to see what we could go through and get rid of. So I feel like we got a lot done, but stay tuned and you can watch it with us together. All right. Like a year and a half.
Gonna take a look.
Oh my gosh.
I was scared to go in here by myself.
Yeah, it is kind of like...
Like, no one's gonna close the door on me.
Okay, I think it's 60. I remember having a hard time with this thing before. If you've seen the TV show You on Netflix, highly recommended. You'll know why I was afraid to go into a storage unit by myself. I just watch too much true crime, too many horror films to ever want to go into a storage unit alone, even if it's daytime. I am not about to get trapped in one of those things. That's not bad. That's not too bad.
Is there a light in there?
Yeah.
Not bad at all.
Okay.
Okay, let's get just...
Okay, I guess there is a lot of stuff. There's a lot of stuff not even
It's actually not bad,
but
though.
it's not too bad.
It's really not bad.
Yeah. I mean, you know, when I moved things in here, I'd already really, like, pared down and got out of the junks. It really matters to me. Like, it's really stuff that I care about.
You kept the essentials.
We found a lot of random crap.
This looks familiar. Did I give you this?
Makes me not want to, like, give away things. Like, makes me want to, like, just move my things into a place again. She's feeling nostalgic. She hasn't seen her stuff for a year and a half. All the memories are rushing back in, and she's thinking, I want to keep all of it. I don't want to get rid of things. Sentimental items. Photo. Yeah, so that's me and that's her. Very normal reaction, I would say. Okay, we're decluttering her storage unit. Basically, we came here to downsize Lisa. This is one of my best friends. We came here to downsize her life. She's gonna be moving, but things are still up in the air. We don't know where she's moving at, so for the time being, I'm just helping her to let go of some of the things that she's been holding on to and paying for in the storage unit, things that are not gonna be a part of her next chapter, things that she doesn't need, things that she doesn't love, things that are not worth shipping and spending money to ship to wherever she ends up moving next, right?
Yeah,
that's a good synopsis. So far we've just started. So far we've got a bunch of cutlery. Yeah, I just showed and there's like that was, she makes like these chocolates. My mom gave me this, it's really nice. I feel like I should keep it. So she's been holding on to that for the last year. So that's like going goodbye. Dirty in the storage. Not needed. Okay. Like an old pan. A pan that's dirty. I think it's actually pretty new. I just don't know what I'm doing in the kitchen, and things tend to look... It's not a necessity where she needs to hold on to it to ship. And silverware we're holding a really high bar diffuser. The old plastic diffuser. Basically, if she doesn't want to spend money to ship it across country, it's got to go. And I mean, my parents have been divorced since I was 8 and I'm 40, and there's some like silverware from when they were married. Yeah, old silverware that's just not needed. Yeah. Okay, so we're just giving you some of the backstory, but we're moving fast. We're doing one item at a time and making a decision. Soap dish. I like it, but I think I just don't want like remnants of home from previous home in my Makes sense. Yeah. Donate. So we have a donate pile. We have a clothing pile that we're gonna start. Like rusted. It's rusted old. Go with that. $2 at IKEA. It works. It does work. They're like $1 at the 99-cent store. Okay. I feel like she can like donate maybe from one. Maybe Goodwill. This was like, yeah. I think I need to let this. I mean, it opens like bottles. It's just. I mean, it's from a friend who was a police officer, and it was like a thing honoring them. Donate. It's this little thing, but yeah. Okay. Okay, first box has been gone through. This thing, is this a donate?
That was good. That's a donate.
Okay, so we'll use this also to carry other things out to our car.
We made progress.
Yeah, already.
Yeah.
We're gonna keep on moving.
Okay, a power strip, like a dirty old power strip. But I mean, like, it works fine. All right, just donate.
Donate.
Just donate. Okay.
It would be different if she was staying in Los Angeles, but because she's moving, we're being super extra ruthless.
Okay. What else?
Let's do one item at a time.
And you could see she was starting to get overwhelmed there.
Okay. One box book.
Nothing daunted. Okay. I mean, I don't read that often.
Donate. Towels.
I like these. They're pretty new. They were a gift. I mean, they're probably funky at this point.
Yeah, they're pretty moldy.
This one's kind of dirty.
I personally would say donate to this just because they're a little bit torn, a little bit. Like you're worth brand new towels, and you can get a few really good towels when you move to your place.
And I don't want anything from that.
No.
bathroom coming with me.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. All right. This is good.
What about this thing?
It's a little awkward using it, and I use it to because of lacking
Proper drawers.
proper dressers.
I say let
Time
this
to let it go.
I don't think it's worth shipping because it is.
I
it's kind of a
agree.
lot.
I think and it's just kind of awkward to use. Yeah, so that's
So we'll use both of those for
giveaway
yeah.
or whatever.
If you're decluttering a room that's got a hodgepodge of different items like a garage or basement, I think the key to not getting overwhelmed is to make sure that you just keep picking up one item at a time. Otherwise, because there's such randomness to the items that are being stored, it's really easy to just sit down and start going through things. And before you know it, you're just looking at old pictures and having, kind of going down memory lane. So we kept bringing it back to the focal point of pick up one item and make a decision. Do you want to keep this? Do you want to get rid of it? Do you want to keep this? Do you want to get rid of it? If you're going to keep it, is it worth the money to ship this item? And if it's not worth it, then it's really time to let it go. We have one bag here full of bedding to be donated, one mirror that's going to a friend, a chair also going to a friend. This is a picnic basket that I actually gave her a couple years ago that she's gonna pass on to someone else. Trash, bedding to be given away, trash box. These are all donate. These are the things that she's definitely keeping. We've got a musical instrument and lots of little mementos. And making progress.
Yeah.
The realities of decluttering. Definitely making progress though.
Oh, this is from you, isn't it? Who else would give me this
Why did I have that?
wig?
I'm sure it is probably from me. It's kind of cute though.
Is it? And then the boa.
Why did I have a blue wig? Who knows? Dun 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 dun. Okay, what's the decision now?
I don't look good in blue.
I think this is goodbye.
Really?
Yeah, I don't think you need to carry a blue wig with you across country or even in state.
Yeah. Or the double horn. I've had these, I really think, since I don't even know when. a long time. Like a long, I know it's like not really.
The randomness that we were finding.
Okay, this can be,
One Halloween costume gone, a top hat, a candle.
Mandy will like these. I'll give this away.
This is a bag for a friend.
Yeah, she'll get into that. Oh yeah, like here's my burlesque days.
Are you keeping that?
Dirty white gloves with a little bit of a hole. I don't know. Is
No.
there a reason to let it go?
Yeah, let that go.
I don't need like a burlesque memento.
No,
Yeah,
no,
okay,
those are
okay.
dirty too.
Okay, all right. These. Okay, this is like winning like king's cake, you know.
Remember earlier she said she only kept the necessities.
Anyways, white. I don't need this.
Trash.
Trash.
Oh my gosh, those beads remind me of my mom. My mom went to Mardi Gras when she was maybe 60 years old. She went by herself. She came back with probably 2 boxes worth of those beads. It was a running joke between me and my friends because beads are given out to women who basically flash the crowd. At least that's how it used to be 20 years ago. My mom came back with so many beads. What was your mama doing over there in New Orleans by herself? But my mom was definitely someone who liked to hoard things. And I think there were just free beads and she took as many as she could get. But who knows? I wasn't there. She had a great time.
Okay.
A duvet. Like a probably stained. Yeah, it's like a duvet. So this can
Okay, that's
go
good.
to. These are all like files from ages ago. Like maybe a documentary I thought about making 12, 13 years ago. I mean, it's literally just whatever, these binders of, yeah, I mean, they're.
I totally relate to this because I've had so many different businesses and projects and classes and workshops that I've gone to over the years, and you hold on to these things thinking that you're going to, I don't know, reread the material.
An empty binder, but I've been dragging around empty binders.
No.
Old headshots. I mean,
If you live in LA, you've got headshots at some point in your life.
they're not really.
Even if you're like a gardener, you probably have a headshot.
Yeah, so, I don't know. That was like.
Those are sexy.
I do
Keepers?
like these shoes, yeah. I've not worn them a lot, mostly like for photo shoots. But, yeah.
They're a hell yes.
Yeah, they're a hell yes.
Okay.
Right? Like, they can stay.
This is in the keep pile.
Okay. I don't go to cold places that often.
That ended
but
up being
I
a
mean, it could be
keeper.
useful.
Is that a donate?
Oh gosh, I don't know. Maybe I'll keep it. Do you have like gloves? I have tap shoes. You know, old shoe holder rack thing. I don't want this. This does not bring me joy at all. It's just no. I'll find another way to organize my shoes. Okay, this is like Goodwill.
That's a no.
That's a no. That's a no. Oh, I think I got these shoes from you.
Oh yeah, you did.
When you were decluttering your
Yes. I just can't do high heels. Even though those are wedges, I wore them once or twice and they're just impossible for me to walk in.
Just some shoes. So here we go.
A lot of times you're decluttering mistakes. Especially me.
Oh yeah, salsa shoes. I forgot I had these in here.
Are they a yes or a no?
Yes, they're yes.
Okay.
Yeah, they're, oh god. Okay. Yeah, I might wear these. All right. This is a yes. This stuff is a yes so far. Clothes wise. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm starting to get hot. I don't know if there's air conditioning in here. I think there's not.
I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
Okay, so the keepers in that box
Oh,
are
gosh darn
the
it. I'm so
are the jean jacket,
The jean jacket, 2 pairs of cowboy boots.
cowboy boots from Old Town Road video.
Yeah, a pair that I wore in the Old Town Road music video, a pair that I got at like a thrift store in San Francisco probably 13 years ago that I still love and they're super comfortable. They're like vintage Levi's, but yeah, this is the pair that I wore in the Old Town Road music video. That's really fun.
Those are keepers.
Yeah, those are keepers and some other stuff. Yeah, a skirt, a dress. I like all this a lot and it'll be nice to wear it again.
Okay, clothing box is a keep.
This is a keep. Okay, maybe
We are making progress.
Okay.
And this is the trash piles. Everything else went into the car, and you'll see how much we got done. Pretty proud of ourselves. Okay, so this is how much we got rid of in 1 hour. Right here, we're gonna take this to the dumpster for trash. Also trash. This is all donate, giveaway, miscellaneous. Back seat is full. Also all donate, giveaway. This is gonna be lots of blankets and bedding for homeless. And then up here, one more box of trash, and then 2 bags for friends to see if they want any of these things. And if not, also gonna be donated to Goodwill. So we were able to do all this. I'll take you to the other side. All this in an hour. It helps to do this with a friend. I feel like it made it go so much faster. So we've got a mirror, a chair. I think that's pretty much it for in terms of bigger pieces, but yeah, mirror, chair, lots of bedding, towels, lots of knickknacks, miscellaneous things that have just been sitting there in storage and now can be out into the world and hopefully used by other people. So we are wrapping up our decluttering time together. We got a lot done, I think, in like less than an hour and a half. And now you have to do the last bit of work, which is going to drop it off at all these places. But at least the car is loaded. I find that's like a big piece.
Yeah, it's full. Like we definitely can visually see that we accomplished a lot.
Yeah.
And we were productive.
Yes, we were productive. We got things done. You let go of things. How do you feel about letting go of all this stuff energetically?
Good. I feel like it's junk that I'm just getting rid of.
I
mean,
know.
it's a lot of like dirty things and busted things and like just yeah.
She's having a fresh start, clean start, and so I feel like this kind of is reflective of new page, new chapter.
Definitely.
Yeah. Yay! I think it's really cool how at the beginning of the video she really was in this place where she thought, I want to keep all of this stuff, and just felt this deep attachment. And then as we started to actually sort through the things, she realized how much of it was just junk, crap, things that were busted or old or just not really wanted, loved, used things that she didn't need to have in her life. And so some of it was just trashed and a lot of it was donated. And some of it was given to friends who maybe needed those little knickknacks in their own lives. So yeah, that's today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think of our process of decluttering and what we got rid of. And how do you tackle something like a basement, a storage unit, or your garage? Okay, look forward to seeing y'all next week. Bye.